Welcome to First Videos Eve on YouTube. Humble clad future model. Well, yo, look at this crazy path, guys. Freaking super crazy just to get to like this exclusive rope spot where we can swim and jump off right into the ocean. Like, seriously. But this right here is Winnifred Beach. You get like an amazing view. Like, trust me, guys, if you ever come to Jamaica, you have to check it out. It's like super beautiful. Me and a few friends. Yeah.
Y'all have to see me, I'm bugging.
Bumba.
Daddy.
Yeah, don't forget the big boss. Yo, boss said.
Wild out here.
Alright, yo. So right now, guys, we're gonna get some amazing drone shots going off of this rope, jumping off of the street. Yo, shit's about to get crazy. Crazy. Okay, guys, I got you got some awesome shots off that one, man. Like some awesome shots. Yeah. Me, man. Now we're on our way back out of this, like, it's a bit like hidden spot where you can go and swing, jump ropes. Dude in the bushes over there, freaking peeing. Now we're gonna go back, probably get some more swimming done. Yeah. All right, man. Unfortunately, we didn't get a backflip from this guy. He covered it out. Alright, so now we're all headed back. Fuck!
Oscar, this is my youth. We don't know how trying to catch on to that. Try, you never use
What?
cover and then for remote control camera.
Alright, keep.
I don't want to move. The analog one.
Yeah, man, I see him where that play one game.
Yeah. You didn't do that too, can't follow. I want you to talk. You know, some people come to the talk and Nicky and I feel over. I just some blood car BMW and some black coffee. If you want black car,
And we're back out to the beach, guys. Cole doesn't know he has Jamaican apples right there.
massive, you know.
What's that?
How did this?
What's your fuck? In the bucket. So just walking down the beach line, nice sandy beaches, crystal clear. So we're about to go into where? Right here we're swimming? Yeah, that's totally fine. You want to go ahead and water right now? You guys can see crystal clear water. I kind of messed up some sand, but you can see me my foot super clearly, just to show you how clear the water is. Alright, take a look. Super clear, nice waves coming in. The water is super cool and nice. You can see guys, yo, honestly, we're just out here having fun. That dude's not coming in. You can't see him, he's like way out there, but he's not coming in water. And now let's go take a swim. I'm gonna put the camera and then we get some solid videos, alright? Oh, so flat. Yo, you gotta see that wave? Yo, it's like the wave was taking us all the way back out. Whoa. All the way.
Whoa, y'all have to make me say Flary. Whoa. Outside funny white like. Picture. Yo, take some pictures now.
Underwater pictures? Alright, cool,
Yeah.
man. Alright, I'm gonna take some pictures right now. I might add them in, right? Slimy and shit, right? Alright guys, so we have like another little spot, like a rocky spot right around the other end. Last one was like way over there, the other end of the beach. Now we have like one more spot, it's like all the way at that end. It's like a rocky, like cliff type thing that we can stand on, take pictures and do whatever crazy shit we do. So we're just heading around there right now. We're probably gonna stop off at the van, change the drone's battery, and then we go like right back out there. Alright, so we're almost at the spot, the rocky spot. And so we're just making our way through the path right now. It's like all the way down to the right end of the beach. So we're just all walking down trying to find this, so it's supposed to be like this awesome spot. I think that's where it is. You can't see it yet, but I can. But it's gonna be like all these rocks and stuff. We're gonna get some like super epic pics right there, man. Super epic. Oh, this is like this. I don't think you would swim here because it's like so rocky. You can see from the path all the way down, but it definitely is beautiful. It's the spot right here is so beautiful. You guys, to see the original Winnifred Breach is like right all the way down there. I think we're going all the way up there, across on that wooden log. And I apologize for not starting it since the beginning of the day when we were headed here. I just didn't decide whether or not I really wanted to do the video. Oh, you British now, eh, mate? You British now, bro. Ha. So it's like super rocky, but it's a beautiful spot. Gonna have to use the drone to get some like images from out over the ocean, but yeah, like I said, it should be some awesome pics. Crossing this little log, you also can walk there if you're not a pro. Whoa. See, look at this shit. Oh yeah, as I said, it's literally all the way out. The beach is like that little strip of white that you see right there. All this. Look at that. Look at that.
Steady, man, steady.
It's massive, like cliff edge going all the way up back into the bushes. Alright guys, this is the river where you wash off when you're finished. Well, what?
What?
Hey, you wanna go for it? Take it off?
You did them. Outside, man, kill them. One go. Chop, chop. 3, 2, 1. Oh, outside. Outside. See anything? Ready. Stop touching her. No. Outside, buddy, white thing. Open at them head. Trouble. See chap? Dead. Boom, boom. Dead. Yeah. Wanna keep crop? Friend of a murderer. My friend of a murderer. Murderer. I'm a dunter. My friend of a murderer. Gunshot. I'm a murderer. Dunter. Hey. I'm a murderer. I'm a gunshot. just like the clap Philip. Everything in the clip I full them up, just like in our in with the hit. Hold lamp and the rubber grip, firm and steady. We man start to squeeze all the skin start to strip. Me sick in me thoughts, that dot from no left. Stick in your heart, when they hit please step. When they're ready to retire like the killer. Me tell them man a real filler. Rock out with the zigzagger, but we both it that open. We a tell her it a skin, hang on like a hanger. Anyway we go get no so how we a run the place. But they pan the beat like a athlete. The girl and the yellow some of them. We race, get tired, you need me no care. Me still have the pace and I will it on the rhythm. Me a tell a gangster black like a new beer.
Tell the guards man through verse, I'ma bring the prince. Now I'm a brand new jeans, I'm a brand new team. Now we all I'm a Ruger, all I'm a links. If I boy when I look into black and white, like them alien flips. Tell a boss boy me us, off no gift. Now here's my wish, my ass up. Yeah, right. Me a one left to my fresh, now my brand new clothes. It make your legs warm up like close fit, yeah. In a girl hole, I'm doing the probing. Living on life if your nose ring, yeah. Them say I'm full of bass style, so very grimy. Don't take me lightly, shoot up. No time, yeah.
Same block, every time we are touching block is the same block. Boy violate in the top face shot. Me no too dark and me no just straight back. Boy them a talk and them know say me no take shot. Any boy violate just get a head shot. Don't last year, pull it on the head back. Any boy violate, don't take a tough shot.
The 3-star shine and level, man still a dash pebble. Boy get chop up and dash we a push. We call that a push vendetta. No half as bad as animal types against the gender man. Man, can you make it move so wrap it up? Load get sap it up, bunch of that will up in the fort. One day before March, and it's no top shot in the curve. Pull it a rip and trip like a dozen and in a man circle intense. The captain of the off way give himself in a little fool. Boy better try get out and make it in the Japan. Star until I'm taking an observer when they come back and see it black and purple. So him up just like in his land when the merit are burning. The wheel and burn to keep me 3-star shine.